Will China's yuan eventually replace the dollar to dominate the global oil market? Even today, approximately 80% of the world's oil transactions are conducted in the US dollars. However, nations such as China, Russia, and Iran are increasingly conducting their oil trade in the Chinese yuan. Saudi Arabia has signaled its willingness to accept the yuan, yen, and euro. Trade between India and Russia is already being settled in rupees and rubles. The UAE too appears to be contemplating a shift towards the yuan. While the yuan share in global trade has risen to 8%, the dollar still commands nearly 40% of the global trade. Although the yuan share in the global foreign exchange reserve has reached 3%, the dollar's dominance remains substantial at approximately 90%. In essence, the shift has begun, but the game is far from over. This is because yuan remains subject to capital controls. Furthermore, compared to the dollar, yuan lacks the liquidity, credibility, and financial market depth. Nevertheless, within the oil sector, the Iran Israel war could potentially trigger the advent of Petro-Yuan. While this potential transition may allow India to secure cheaper oil, it will also entail heightened currency risk and increased geopolitical pressures. Does this mark the beginning of de-dollarization, a process wherein other nations seek to reduce the reliance on the dollar by establishing a multi-currency global system?